We are here, we are here, we are here. This amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FXLA Analysis, and we are marking up OBMP. Look at what's going on in the market. On the monthly time frame, market started low, pushed its way up to a high, midpoint in the middle. We can see that with that market retest. Market broke up to double top, pushed down to a retest, pushed back up, retest again, pushed up to another level. We got an incline W in that structure. We're going to see a price going to head up to this area of resistance, keep on pushing up. If not, we could begin some side-by-side consolidation in the market. Headed down to the weekly time frame. Let's see what's going on. Price action. Last candle in the market is a bullish inverted hammer. Price is working its way up. Price action did engulf the second to last candle in the market. All we got to do is wait and close out. The market will still be pushing up higher. We don't know how far that market's going to push up. That's the highest the market has ever been for OBMP. So all we're doing is waiting for the market to break as it's doing, retest, break and retest, break and retest. That market's going to keep on working its way up inclines. Trying to find structure in the market. This is a type of W right here. So we do have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest. Market pushed up once. So this retest was a break and retest of that overall second level highs. Market broke, retest, pushed up to this area. We're going to walk down a market to the daily time frame. Let's see what's going on. On the daily time frame, price action candle, last candle in the market, is a inverted bullish candle. So price action is working its way up. Price action is above the previous candle. Price is above the previous wick and body, showing very dominant. It's going to pick up, and it dominated the previous candle before that. The second and the last candle did not engulf the market for that market to push up. Is the second candle pushes price action after the doji push that market up, and that's the highest market has ever been. So if you're trying to take entry, look for the market to break and retest, look for new levels as it's going to come up for that incline. If that market is going to keep working its way up for uptrends. So we're going to just take an SR line, put it right here so we can see that the market is breaking while we walk down the structure. Headed down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we are receiving price action candle. Second, third candles are inverted bullish hammers. Price action is working its way up. The second and third price action, second candle, third candle, are at areas of resistance. So it's tagging that area. So price touched once, twice, and didn't reach up there for a third time, but it's still in that level of highs. But it's on like some price actions currently, maybe on second level highs. We have high highs with the wicks. Price action isn't above the previous candle, so market's consolidating, so it could be doing a wedge pattern as we can see. So we're going to see what's going to form in this area right here. Headed down to the 3-hour time frame. Okay, 4-hour, 3-hour, identifying the same thing. Headed down to the 2. So with the 2, we see 3 spike ups to the high in that area. Market came back to retest, and so we got a little bit of a push. But this push is not dominant enough to see if it's going to push all the way out. Price action candle, last candle in the market, last doji in the market, is between the second last candle, which showing that market is in the range of that consolidation. So we're still waiting for the market to break out. Second last candle on the 2-hour time frame. It'll be the second last candle on the 1-hour time frame. Price action is identifying the retest with the second and third candles. The market's still showing that push as it was doing on the 3-hour time frame, 2-hour time frame, so as the 1-hour time frame, and on the 45 minutes, we get a little bit of a slight more of a push. So we can see second last candle is a doji, want price to engulf the second last candle to close out to push that market up or close down. So if it closes down, it may have to close, a price action may have to close after the third wick, maybe that body, to push that market down. So far, some structures trying to form in that area. So far, that market's going to push up. What we're seeing is that market's going to push up. We see that first leg, market's going to push up for that second. It could break and retest, work its way up for an incline. If not, you see that double top, first leg, second leg. It can stop at the third leg, drop back down for an M pattern. And overall, probably see a triple top in that area as we walk down the time frame. Headed down to 30-minute. Now we do see the triple top, so under 30 minutes identifying triple top. So we do have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest. Market could drop down all the way out of this range. Let's call it consolidation. If that happens, market's coming from a triple top. We're looking for a triple top and a retest for that market to break down. Market's going to be respected for that support area with prices coming from pushing within that fourth leg as it currently at with price. We'll be seeing that first leg, second leg, third leg. Market's pushing up for that fourth. We're going to wait for price action to reach at least the highest area of this SR line. Once it starts breaking, and we start looking for the break and retest for that market to move down further. If not, that market will be consolidating in this range. This is why we created a wedge pattern on the higher time frame. Headed down to the 15-minute. Price action candle is about to engulf the second last candle, which is a doji. Could push the market up. The price action is running into the third to last candle and fourth to last candles wicks that may not be able to press above that area. We may get capped off and the market may drop. If not, we'll see that market break, retest, and we're going to see that market push up. We'll see bullish candles, another bullish candle to close out above this area here. We're looking for a closeout to see that market's going to push up. Headed down to the 5-minute. Let's see what's going on. Okay, structure's trying to build. We can see that incline W that market is in. So it's respecting that incline of that wedge that we created from that earlier time frame. So we can see that first leg, second leg, third leg. Third leg connected to the fourth, respected on the second level lows of that area. Market is tagged up at the midpoint. So we look for price action to break that midpoint of that area. To probably retest may not on this time frame to push up further. Okay, so we're looking for a price to break the opposite side of what's going on here. Probably want price to clear the wicks to push up closer to that higher area of resistance. Headed down to a 3-minute time frame. Let's see what's going on. Price action. So we got that side-by-side market going on. So price action is side-by-side. We do got a little bit of engulfment. So price action close out is going to engulf the second, third candle. But we can see that it may not engulf this doji here and these areas here. So we may have to wait till price break this area, these wicks, close out for that market to push up further. If not, just run into a resistance. We'll see that market drop back down at that area. Headed down to the 1 hour, last but not least. So price action is a doji on the 1 minute, I said 1 hour. On the 1 minute time frame, price action is a doji. So price action will engulf the previous side, which can push that market up. But you gotta remember, guys, this is a doji, so it is indecisive. And what a doji really is a consolidation in that market. So we don't know if that market is a retest candle. So we're gonna see if that market, it's gotta go back a little bit, see what's going on. So market spiked up once, market spiked up twice, it broke, came back. So we don't know if that's a retest. So this candle right here could be retesting these two areas here. If we push it to the top, that market will drop back down. If not, market would close out above this area here and then push up. So we're waiting for follow-up of more bullish candles in the market. Very important information, guys. Please study and review Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images, study breakout retest strategy. Click on images. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. OBMP stock. Great.